Up till about 2000, the environmental management plans was sort of a big catalog of ideas and not more. There were too many projects, too many targets, and nobody could cope with this. At the same time, there were no employees working with it in the municipality. Then we decided in the plan 2005, we decided to focus much more. So the main idea in the planning as we do it now is to select a few targets and actually put up a plan that could implement these targets.
You said that you're going to focus on some specific projects and actually be able to implement them. Do you think that's the same type of thing that individuals should be doing?
Yeah, I think that would be a good idea because there is, of course, there is difference on the impact of the different activities. But if they decide as private people, for example, to say that I will take my bicycle every second time I have to do a trip, this will save a lot of energy. And they could say then maybe I should have a holiday, not traveling to the other part of the world, but just have a bicycle trip or have a short trip holiday. That will also save a lot of CO2. So, I mean, with a few activities, they can do a lot about this.